Hello and welcome to week 15. Alright, so for week 15, first of all, remember you have to finish up Project 4 Part 3. So even though it's not listed in week 15, if you didn't already get it done, make sure that gets done. You could technically work on it a little bit in class during week 15, but you probably don't want to because what you're going to be doing is working on the multiple linear regression assignment. So here's the assignment. So similar, even though it looks like a quiz, it's not a quiz, it's a homework. There's no time limit, but you only get one attempt. You can go in and out, you can save. Hopefully that's the point, you understand what we're talking about. But so you're gonna have time to work on this in class. You don't have to wait for class, you can work on it ahead of time because if you go to the study resources, I've got the Minitab example and the multiple regression overview. So I've got both of it in here, so you can go ahead and work ahead if you'd like and get that done. In class, what we'll be doing is not only working through that, but then also Project 4 Part 4. So Project 4 Part 4, and this is, once again, each individual group member. So you will be using all of the data from your group, but each individual will be going through and answering these questions. So in class, you need to do this, and then you need to be working on that. Now, once again, because it might take some people longer and I don't want anyone to stress out, I went ahead and for Project 4 Part 4 put a due date of May 9th, which is the next time we're in class down here. But you probably don't want to wait. Like I would go ahead and start working on it and maybe potentially even finish it, but it does not have to be done in class, but we will be starting it and working on it in class. Otherwise, we've got a discussion 15. What have you learned this semester? This hopefully should be a fun one. What you're going to do is watch the scientific studies with John Oliver and then answer these questions and then just kind of have a conversation with your peers. So hopefully this is a fun discussion. If you don't follow or watch John Oliver, he's a pretty funny guy. He can be a little off color, so please don't take offense to anything he says. But you know, there's always something you can get from things, and I hope you get something interesting from this. I know I enjoy it. So looking back, so that's multiple regression, Project 4, the discussion. Let's double check here. I think that's pretty much it. So see, we're getting down to the end, and this is why week 13 was so awful, to make sure week 15 isn't too bad.